there, I'm Brenda, and I'm part of the Sephora Community Team.
And it's Jeffrey here, Sephora Beauty Director, and we're here with a boxing video for Play by Sephora for the month of June. This month's theme is Destination Beauty, so pack your bags because we're going to be going on a journey and exploring all things makeup, skincare, and hair care that's definitely designed to inspire vacay vibes.
And don't forget, each box comes with a Play Pass worth 50 extra Beauty Insider points that you can redeem with a purchase online or in store. You just have to make sure that you use the code on your pass at checkout.
And as always, there's multiple versions of this box out there, so you're not going to get every product that you see in this video. I mean, that would be kind of crazy. But I think we're ready for takeoff. Let's jump into some makeup, yeah?
Yeah, let's do it.
Action. Just kidding.
Keeping us on our toes.
The first product we're going to talk about is a new one. And that is the Tarte Found Sealer Multitasking Foundation Broad Spectrum SPF 20.
Now, this sounds really cool.
It is, yeah. This multitasking foundation has a flexible, medium coverage, and it has a beautiful natural finish.
Oh, nice. Cool. So I'm assuming since it's called Found Sealer, it's basically a foundation and a concealer in one product?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's so crazy. I definitely want to add it to my kit.
And it helps hydrate, so it gives you a plumper, healthier looking appearance as well.
Now, this product is a prime example of why you want to fill out your Play profile. Be sure to go online and do that because we want to send you the products that are personalized for you based off of your skin type, skin tone, and color options. So next up, we have a product that's exclusive to Sephora. For Milk Makeup, we have the Cush High Volume Mascara in Blackest Black. Now, this is a really high volume mascara that's gonna build and nourish the lashes with hemp-derived cannabis seed oil. It's also infused with heart-shaped fibers that attach onto the lashes for a long-lasting length, curl, and volume. Love this product.
And I really love the shape of this brush because it really gives you eyelashes that volume that you want.
The brush really grabs every hair and pulls the mascara to the tips. It's really beautiful.
Yeah, and I love that it's a vegan product.
Oh yeah, that's an added benefit. Love that. So next up is another product that's exclusive to Sephora. From Kaja Beauty, we have the Mochi Glow Bouncy Highlighter in the shade Toy Alien. Now this is a beautiful white gold shade and it's a cream to powder finish, which makes it really innovative. So it builds beautifully on top of any complexion. You can use it on clean skin for a really soft, radiant finish or on top of a foundation for a really glam effect. This is really beautiful.
So pretty. Yeah, I love it. Next, let's talk about another product that's exclusive to Sephora. The Tarte Quench Hydrating Primer, which is part of the Rainforest of the Sea collection.
Oh, nice. Love this.
Yeah, and it's formulated with probiotics, antioxidants, and it smells like delicious coconut.
Designed to take you to a vacation getaway.
Yeah,
Love
and
that.
it melts right into your skin to refresh and protect against pollution. And it also smooths down the look of fine lines and wrinkles, so your foundation will go on smoothly.
Who doesn't want that?
Okay, next let's talk about a Beauty Insider community favorite. This is the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in Jet Black.
Now, I love this product in particular, too.
This is a waterproof eyeliner that will literally stay on all day and night. And it has a thin marker-like tip, so you can really control how you want your line to look like without skipping, smudging, or pooling.
Nice. And it's ultra black, so I can definitely see it's like a one-swipe color.
Yeah.
Very beautiful. So last up in makeup, from Jouer Cosmetics, we have the Longwear Lip Topper in Rose Gold. Now, this is a beautiful, non-sticky, weightless formula that's definitely swatch-worthy. Let's check it out. It's a gorgeous metallic rose gold shade. Look at that. That's got an ultra-dimensional high shine shimmer. So you can wear this on top of matte lip colors to add a little bit of extra dimension or by itself for just a soft, natural shine. It looks amazing on you, Brenda.
Thank you. And I love that it's very weightless and not sticky.
Now it's infused with jojoba oil, coconut oil, and vitamin E, so it's also gonna be nourishing and hydrating. I love this product. Okay, who's ready to jump into some skincare?
Let's do it.
We have a cult classic from Laneige. This is the Lip Sleeping Mask. Now, if you receive this product in your play box, you're gonna get one of two flavors, original or vanilla, but both are amazing. Now, this is a leave-on overnight sleeping mask that really helps to soothe, smooth, and hydrate parched lips. It's infused with cranberry, strawberry, blueberry, and raspberry to really give you that nice, juicy feel. They're also infused with hyaluronic acid and minerals, which helps to form a protective film over the lips to really lock in that moisture.
Yeah, Beauty Insider community members always talk about it and they both smell amazing.
Yes, just like candy, I'm obsessed.
Next, let's talk about the Bioscience Qualen and Tea Tree Detox Mask. This mask purifies, softens, and calms the skin. It's formulated with French green clay, which helps dry out impurities and dirt.
It's also formulated with tea tree oil, which is gonna help to diminish the appearance of breakouts.
Yeah, it's an amazing product.
Love it. Next up from Herbivore, we have the Rose Hibiscus Coconut Water Hydrating Face Mist. Now this is infused with coconut, aloe leaf extract, rose, and hibiscus. So it smells like a tropical dream.
I love that mist.
Oh my God, it's amazing. Now this is really gonna help to soothe, tone, hydrate any skin type. So you can use it before or after makeup. Now if you use it on clean skin, it's really great for reducing redness and the appearances of blemishes because of that aloe leaf extract in there. Now you have to try it. You wanna try some?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Feels so good. No wonder it's a community favorite.
Yeah, it's like you're instantly transported to a faraway beach.
Yeah.
I love it.
Next, let's talk about the Believe True Cream Aqua Balm.
Now this is a Sephora favorite, you all.
It's a gel-like moisturizer that cools and refreshes the skin, and it also contains a blend of herbs like antioxidant-rich lady's mantle, and it diminishes the appearance of pores.
Nice, love that. So next up, we have a super innovative product from First Aid Beauty. This is the Ultra Repair Barriere Cream. Now this is a light as air moisturizer that feels amazing on the skin. It's gonna help to pull moisture from the air and put it in the skin, so it really boosts hydration throughout the day. It's also gonna help to repair that barrier that the skin needs to help maintain that moisture. It's also infused with colloidal oatmeal and vitamin E, which soothes, calms, and conditions irritated skin.
Yeah, and I love the texture. It's like bubbly.
Yeah, it feels really great.
Next, let's talk about one of my favorite products.
Okay.
And that is the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm.
Now, I love this product too.
Yeah, it's a makeup remover and cleansing balm all in one, and it gently exfoliates your face.
I love that.
It contains sunflower and ginger root oils as well as papaya enzymes.
Yeah, and the enzymes are where you're getting that soft exfoliation. I love this product. Obsessed. So next up, we have some newness from Sephora collection. This is the All Day Hydrator, Hydrate, and Glow. Now, this product is infused with hyaluronic acid, which is really great for boosting moisture. It also has vitamin C and E, which build amazing radiance in the skin. So you get that glow going before you even put on your foundation. This is an amazing product to try, and it's great for all skin types. Now, no Play by Sephora box would be complete without some beauty bonuses. So first up from Briogeo, we have Be Gentle, Be Kind, Matcha and Apple Replenishing Superfood Shampoo, and the Kale and Apple Replenishing Superfood Conditioner. Next from Diva Curl, we have the Leave-In Decadence Ultra Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner.
Next from Clarins, we have the Sun Radiance Nourishing Shampoo and Conditioner with Ylang Ylang Wax. Another one from Clarins is the Anti-Pollution Shampoo and Conditioner with Aquatic Mint. The Hum Nutrition Hair Sweet Hair Gummies, and from Dolce & Gabbana, Dolce.
So that's pretty much it for products, but there's other goodies that come in your play box that you don't want to forget. There's your playbook, which tells you everything that you need to know about the products that you just received. Now you're also going to get your play pass, which is redeemable for 50 extra Beauty Insider points, both in-store or online. All you have to do is enter in the code in the back on checkout, and you're credited those points to get you more trial-size beauty to play with. Love that!
Each box comes with a play bag that is reusable, recyclable, and perfect to travel with. Plus, it comes in a different color each month. This month we have orange.
It's TSA friendly. It's perfect for travel. I love that. Now, we're pretty social here at Sephora, so we want you to share your unboxing videos and tag us at #SephoraPlay, and comment below in the comment section what products you're excited to try this month.
And also join the Beauty Insider community group for Play so you can share more about these products.
And maybe make some new friends. So until next time,
Bye!
ciao!
Action.
Hi there, I'm Brenda.
This is called Mochi Glow Bouncy Highlighter in the shade Toy Alien. So this product is a prime example of why you want to fill out your prey.
And one thing I love is the shape of the brush. It really volumizes your eyelashes.
Yeah, it grabs every lash, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, for sure.
every single one of them.
It's infused with all types of berries like strawberry, blueberry, cranberry, raspberry extract. There's so many berries.
The Bioscience, Qualen, and tea tree detox mask.
That's a good one. That's a good one right there.
It contains herbs like old ladies.
Old ladies.
Like old ladies. Old ladies.
I'm ready for it.
Ladies.
Old ladies know what's up, y'all. You don't even know, okay?
And it also contains herbs like rich old lady's mantle. I said both of them. Rich old ladies. Antioxidant.
There you go. Is this gonna make it just a bit better for you?
Gosh. Why do I keep on saying? Bye.
Bye.
The more you know. I'm gonna skip on the chow for now this time. I'm just gonna say, yeah, I'm skipping on it. Sorry. You're not getting any of my branding this video.